It's great to be back on campus. This place holds a really special place in my heart.
1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap.
Try to hit the metal with all of the hammer.
Throw in sort of backtracking.
Lay down. Sit.
You can do quantum communication, where you use the effects of quantum mechanics to securely communicate.
Winter session is a great time to collaborate with other departments that you've been dreaming to collaborate with.
We get to explore new things without fear of failure.
Gives that personal connection that I don't normally get throughout the semester because of the hustle and bustle and busyness.
It allows us to explore new ideas and meet people we might not have met otherwise.
For those of you who are students here especially, I can speak to that experience and say, cherish it.